What is this? I'll continue later. I'm tired. Am I going to get food? My friends are coming over. So I bought a lot. The way it's shown, look at it. So guys, if I should be angry, cry, sad, or whatever. Oh, I was just here. I told myself that today I'm going to commit this day into crocheting. Of course I did, and I started somewhere around 2 p.m. and yesterday I was somewhere here, so I've realized that this bag is losing its shape. I'm going to see how it's going. Like, look at this. Notice it's from yesterday. Then I'm like, why is this bag like, because you can tell here. So I put it aside and then started another one. This one is coming out well. I hope I will not increase any stitch. I thought I would finish this one. No. I'll continue later. I'm tired. What was this? Am I going to get food? I love avocados, y'all. So much. I'm just gonna slice this. The covers of these containers is that you can use this as a chopping board. So I'm just trying to show you that this is what I'm going to eat. Anyways, this is it. This. Oh, so this is how far we are now. Good morning. It's your cool Momo here. If you can see me, guys, I'm just waking up here and I told myself, you know what? I'll just do my crocheting. So one thing about crocheting, when you see something is taking shape, you get motivation. So this is what I get. Like, I couldn't sleep last night because I did this in the evening when I was watching a movie. I was a chocolate mama. Good morning once more. My friends are coming over to visit me. These are the two of my good friends, musically and churchly, if that was a word. So they are coming to see me, but we are going to have some serious chat. I will just go and check to see if there is any meat, any chicken, because I just wanted some chicken. But if there is no chicken, I'll go to the butcher to buy some meat. Just have to learn how to deal with that. Filming in public is not easy for me at all. I've tried, but usually I'm always shy. Guys, I'm always shy, I cannot lie. So let's go and do this shopping. Just a few shopping because I also need a few things for my house. Just especially fruits. I love fruits so much. I tried to call them to ask them if they want to eat ugali or rice, but no one is picking the phone. So there's two boys, these two men, guys. So these two men, I'll get them. I'll just cook what I have because it seems like they're not picking up the phones. Because I was there to ask them what they would like or prefer. Yep, just to be considerate. So let's go and do shopping. If I don't film, I'll show you what I've got because I'm always shy to film away. People look at me with a bad eye. This right now, I will just bring this. Where at home, I'm not going to change. I just put on this jacket so that I can put the money. I'm very careless. So I put the money here so that I can easily operate. If got a pocket, I can load all the money. I don't trust myself. So this one is the shopping bag. Boyo. This is called a boyo. Are you saying it properly? It's called uboyo. It's uboyo, guys. This one is a bit sourish. I don't know what it's called in English. I don't know what it's made of even. Someone brought it for me actually. Guys. Sure. As I'm back. Love it. Easy. I like it and cook at the same time too. Look at this. The flour, biryani, masala. I wanted this for so long now. Then I got the sembe. I got the soap, of course. This is chewing gum. And then I got the carrots. I don't know what I should cook for my friends. Until now, they didn't tell me what they want. I have ugali already. I ordered some chicken. My 12 to be ready. Yeah, I ordered a full chicken. I just want to us to enjoy something. So it's actually cheap. Imagine full chicken is. Hey, I was shocked. I've set the timer to remind me when to collect. Guys, I was on my way to buy the spice, and then I forgot the name of the spice in Swahili. So I had to come back to Google it because I left my router here. So yeah, I left my router, so I had to come back. I was already halfway. I had to come back to come and Google it. We're suffering. It's not easy. Let's go and get a few things. Hill. Okay, Hilik is card. So my friend called me that you're coming. So let us start with the cooking. So this is my rice, my watu here also. I have one pot, guys, and I have to make biryani. Can you imagine? This is not gonna work for me. Anyways, so guys, I will start with boiling this. This is my ginger. I put it like this so that it can come out when it's ready. So I don't have a cumin. Cumin is what? Is barindi or barinda? Something like that. I forgot the name. Well, I can this also because I don't have a blender. I just want this to get cooked. So guys, I've boiled it. We are going to fry our things. So I'm also here. Guys, I want to buy this. My frying pan is too small. I'll try to. Yeah. Yeah. Haiwezekani. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Just waking up. Not really. I'm lying. I am really lying. I woke up a long time ago, but I was busy doing some things because today I'm going to restock yarn. I'm going to restock bag yarn, but I will not go there to the shop. I will ask for a lady to deliver for me at home. So I'm just going to make a list of what I want, the colors, and also the price. Then I'll pay via M-Pesa, and then she will bring it for delivery. So this is my project, and I want to decorate this with some beads, blah blah blah. I think it will be nice. See, the color is going with beads. So I'm gonna write a list of what I need to order. I'll just say restock, macrame,
She believed she and her close salary had not started coming in. The family still told her you can sleep too. How much was? Bills had to be paid.
So guys, good morning. My progress are doing well. Today, I'm going to the salon.
Hey, kwani si akaumia akapaniki kwa nini ame
So I made this, guys. I'm actually back. I made this. I bought this. I'm gonna have this with for me. So I bought a lot, plenty of this. another reason why I bought this set, because of the needles. Needles are important. So I don't know what that is for. I can't lie, I don't know. What is this for? I bought chips yai. This is my second chips yai ever since I came to this house. Like, I'm trying to make something here. Look at this. This is sour milk. I love it so much. Guys, I hope you're well. So I'm locked in today. I'm locked in. I told myself that I gotta finish this bag. I had to start afresh because I wanted this bag to be a bit bigger. I did something and it was here. Imagine this short. So I told myself, no, I gotta use my mathematical skills. So I increased the length and also the wideness. I had to increase. One thing about crocheting, you must be very patient. You won't believe me that I was done. Single crochet, and then I want to count also another 10. I have to find a way, guys. I don't want to go back here and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is where the problem is. It's gonna work, guys. So let me show you where I'm steadily remove 3.
Very ambitious. What you gonna get from me?
Just doing final stitch.
What do you look for?
Okay, the belt. Can do both at once.
The only luxury I can afford.
Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. So this is what I did last night. And it's a bit small, but the wool also is finished. So I'm thinking of doing a double color. So guys, this is how far we have come. I don't think it's bad looking, y'all. Yeah, it must be not too. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm also thinking of making that next time with the macrame. I'll make this with macrame. But the problem I'm having is the handle. These things, I don't have those handle holders. I don't have those. But I can create another one using what I have. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'll make sure I finish this yarn. Today I must finish this bag. Even though I don't have the handles of this bag. Can you imagine I'm making a bag without handles? Crazy. I'm tired. I didn't go anywhere. I've been in the house. Of course, I would choose fresh milk over powder milk. I'm just using it because I don't have a fridge. This is flour. So I'm gonna do this as a trial. I'm going to make chapati. What is roti, guys? I'm not gonna make a lot. So you'll put it here for some time. It's too soft and I like it this way. This is what I made here last night. Don't mind my babies. My ladies are not protected right now. They're not. Here, my things are finished, including salt, Baba. Look at this. C'est la vie. And this is what I'm left with. And here I am asking myself, should I buy sugar? This is how I make my rice, like sweet rice. I didn't sign for this job. This is some salt. So look at this. What more do you want? I am the maker. I am the maker of my maker. Possible. This is good chapati, just the first chapati. This is the first one. The second one is there. So our food is ready. I just poured powdered milk on top, guys. I'm lazy to wait again for it to boil. We're at 1 hour and 11 minutes, so I'm waiting.
You did okay. You don't like gossip like this pass anything for this life. I don't really tell you what they do me. Why you don't they ask me if you get into that to wake up? I mean, what make I carry this person when I'm going to go to your mother? I beg you, leave me hang. You don't look at that to leave me.
Let me hang. Leave me alone.
Have you seen men of your caliber? They do intercontinental dishes, not this rubbish in a cement bag. Forget this thing. See. I grew with local food. You understand?
So guys, I've gotten a lot of questions. Everyone who comes to my house will ask me like, what is this? What is this? So this is a common sweet that people are given when they come to bring your check, like your bill, when you're in the restaurant. Mostly a national restaurant. So I've had this thing in my room for so long, and I was telling myself that this is for memories, because usually it was like a tradition. In my bags you always find, like handbags, you always find wimpy sweets, so I have to eat it. I don't know, I feel so emotional right now. It's like this, only this small thing, it just reminds me of a lot of things. I got this one just a week before my traveling. I went to Wimpy with my friend and then another Baba who invited us for our hard work in church. So he rewarded us with lunch. Me and my friend Semi, who is Tupo's Diary. You can check her on YouTube. So shout out to you, Tupo's Diary. Oh. So it's like a pill. It looks like a paracetamol. It has been here for 8 months now. It looks a bit old maybe, but it can last for long. So let's eat it. It's in my story, my memories. Tuesday today. I'm going out after 2 days of being in the house. Certified introvert. Yes, I'm a certified introvert. Let me just buy fish, maybe. I can smell fish. I'm back. Is it visible enough? Yep. So I got myself this. Important. 2 eggs to my eye. I think I should put the mayai here. Oh, I forgot to buy. What did I forget? Guys, this is sugar. I got it measured because I only wanted a half. This one piece is miatano. Yeah, it's miatano, this one. So this one is like 3 rand 50 cents. And then we have another 3 rand 50 cents. So it's like, I bought this one for, which is 2,000, and then this one alone is 3,000. So I got fish for 5,000. 5,000 is like 35 rands. going to spoil it, yeah? So guys, I'm done. I don't know what's happening here, but it's done. And this side, I just need to